The Battle of Plattsburgh Week is underway, remembering the key battle in September of 1814 during the War of 1812. This year's commemoration began with a dedication ceremony to the event's many volunteers. The city has named the walkway that crosses the lower Saranac River Commemoration Bridge. It's a tribute to the community volunteers who have organized the Battle of Plattsburgh commemorations through the years, including longtime volunteers Kit Booth and Gary VanCour.
I am very humbled. Kit and I both know the Battle of Plattsburgh would have been nothing if it hadn't been for all the people that helped all those years. It took a tremendous amount of help over a very long period of time to accomplish the things that were accomplished. Linda Ward, wherever she is, she's the one who started this ball rolling, and when she suggested it, Kit and I said, no, you can't dedicate it to us. You have to dedicate it to all of the people who ever served and volunteered with the Commemoration Committee. And so really that's what that bridge is dedicated to, not us. Thank you.
It's been a wonderful run. I mean, it's been fun. It's been a lot of work. We've had a lot of fun doing it. I get an adrenaline rush on Saturday when that parade comes over the bridge every year. It's never failed. And I just, by the time it's over with, I'm exhausted, but the adrenaline has kept me going all weekend, and it's been a great time.
The 2019 Battle of Plattsburgh commemoration continues through the weekend with the parade on Saturday at 1 and a concert by the U.S. Navy Band Northeast at 7 p.m. on Sunday at the Strand Theater.